What is the ISM? The ISM stands for the Institute of Supply Management, and it's an important index because it follows all goods and services throughout the economy. It deals with manufacturing and services. Manufacturing, as we know, is currently in a slowdown, and we're currently at about 48.4%. Anytime you're 50% or above, you're in expansion. Anytime you're at 50% or below, you are at a contraction or a slowdown. That's not a surprise. The surprise is that services just joined manufacturing. Services were 56.5% in November, clearly showing expansion. But in December, those numbers were just reported and they came in at 49.6%, showing what? Slowdown or contraction. This means an overall slowing of the economy. Why is this important news for all of us? Because hopefully interest rates will now start to subside and come down due to the lack of demand for all the products and services in the marketplace today.